This is where you enter to buy the tickets. There's a big crowd as expected. So for adults, there are two prices. If you want to just go to the Independence Palace, it's 40,000 dong. But if you want to enter the exhibition, you pay 65,000 dong, which is another 25,000. I'm going to pay using 200,000 dong, so I get some small change. So here I have my ticket, 25,000 dong for the exhibition, and then 40,000 dong is for general admission. There's also the audio guide. There's a big crowd today, some tour groups coming, and then you can actually use a electric car pickup point at 15,000. But let's check out what they have here before entering. This is the map. I think there are some tanks here, fighter planes, tennis court, a cafe 30/4, and conference center exhibition. So you can see there's conference center, restaurant, cafe, children's center, and more. I saw the tank replica 843 and the other one is 390 right here outside the grounds of Independence Palace before entering. And there will be a major event on the 30th April where Vietnam celebrates Independence Day. So on the morning 8 a.m. there will be celebration here. There is also a fighter jet replica in the distance. So now I'm making my way up to the Independence Palace. You can pick up audio guide here at 90,000, but need to show your license or passport or ID card. There are languages, different languages here, Vietnamese to Russian. There's also a guided tour to the palace, but that's for a group. This is the map. There's first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth bunker, and ground floor. I'm here at the first floor. What a nice red carpet here. Right here at the Independence Palace. Lots of people, lots of groups. This is a nice big banqueting hall used by the president to host guests here. Right in front of me is a cabinet room used by the president and his ministers. Wow. Lots of tour group here. I like the architecture of this Independence Palace. Actually pretty. And right here for another state banqueting hall. A nice painting. Wow, all these rooms really look super amazing, super beautiful. Look at it, it still looks new and amazing. Wow, look at the cupboards. Right now I'm at the second floor and there's a nice dragon carpet, a very big circular carpet here. This is the president's salon, another room for hosting guests and events. Wow. This is the ambassador's chamber. Wow. We're approaching the private apartments of the former president. There's some nice portrait here in a nice little room. Oh, there's a bed there. Wow. Nice little garden here. In front another room is the dining room for the president and his staff. This is another bedroom. Wow, it really has a lot of bedroom. Oh. Really nice building here. Finally have the chance to take the lift the elevator going up to the final floor, third floor from the second floor, and here the door opens. You guys should come to Independence Palace at least once in your lifetime because not only to visit the palace but also take some beautiful photos here, right here. This is at the third floor, another room. I think it's for leisure, the games room or something. You can see a helicopter here. This will be the cinema room. Oh, amazing. Wow. Going up to the projection room now. Wow. So this is the projection room. Oh. There's a convenience shop there and a ring store. Right in front is the helicopter way. The spot where Lieutenant Mui Tang Jung dropped the two bombs at the target on the left side of the red circle, the right red circle. And right here with the rooftop of the Independence Palace. And now I'm on my way to the bunker, the last level, which is definitely a must-see for history lovers. So the bunker adventure starts here. There's no aircon, there are only fans, so it can get a little hot. These are the old telephones of the past. There's a message center here. Alright, let's keep moving, and then this will be another area. This will be the telecommunication rooms, where there are some equipment here, big and bulky. Here the arrow say turn left, so we go in this room this way. And then on the way we'll see other rooms like this one. A switchboard. Wow. Another switchboard room. High frequency communications. This telex room. Look at the chairs, they are so aged already, and then the typewriter. The radio transmitter room right here. Independence Palace. This is our mouth area. I'm going to walk straight and then they say turn right. So right here with the president's bedroom. That's the end of the bunker trip and go down now. This is the kitchen of the former president. Wow. Look at those big cooking pots. There's a children's center and a documentary film just right in front. Here's a nice looking Jeep N151A2 with a serial number 15770, I mean the license number. Souvenir shop right here on the right side. Next have some fresh air now. I see many people taking the photos here. The time now is 3:30 p.m. and not yet closed, but I think we close in 1 hour, so yeah, that's good news. There's an impression book. You can leave some nice comments here if you like. A nice looking Mercedes. And this way to watch the film, children's center, and of course the exit. So the documentary room is right inside this cute little blue door. There's a exciting shooting gallery. Wow, look at that. With the 3 targets. 1, 2, 3. I'm making my way to the exit now. I'm going to find the exhibition now. So in front with the conference center, on the right side with the sports center. A nice little cafe, 30/4, which is the date of the Independence Day in Vietnam. So I'm reaching now the exhibition area with another cafe with the same name, 30/4. Right here, let's go. The cool thing is there's aircon here and some nice exhibits. Wow, this is already a nice staircase.